I heard Switchblade in there again. Hello, Switchblade. I will say hello to you one more time. I did hear a light switch key up. I'm not sure what happened there. Not sure if you got it back or what was going on. But Switchblade, I got you on my radio again. The 750 Down Under station. The 750 station, working it from the land down under. I said, come on back.
Yeah, I'm going to stand by my tag team partner out there. Take care 750 Melbourne, Australia. Switchblade, Lake. Take care, mate. 750 Melbourne.
Yeah, right on there, Switchblade. Yeah, I got you blowing smoke right about now, man. That time you were pretty much untouchable there, Switchblade. It was all you. Switchblade, man. I heard Light Switch out there as well. I just wanted to try and get across to him, but I'm not sure what happened when I got off the key. But Switchblade, I did hear you in there. Switchblade, have a good day once again. 750 Melbourne Down Under. 750 in the southeast coast of Australia. Right back.
750, I'm a standby. Switchblade, Wolf Lake is 10-6. Bye-bye-bye.
Check. Bye-bye-bye.
Contact Mary Spars on your bulldozer. Contact Mary Spars on your bulldozer. Mr. Bo Jackson, America. Yeah, Raya.
Hey, Bo Jackson, can 750 get in your radio? Bo Jackson, 750. Hello, Bo Jackson, 750 Down Under. Bo Jackson, 750 Down Under. Want to try and get in your radio? Come on. No copy on the Bo Jackson, 750 Down Under. 750 Down Under, we're gone.
Raw Texas, pineapple juice legal at all.
We got any more conditions around the Super Bowl? 750 Melbourne, Australia, standing by. Looking for any more conditions around the Super Bowl? 750 in the land down under, come on.
750 2020 in Texas is hearing you. 750 2020 wave that hand.
Yeah, right on, 2020 in Texas, man. Well, you just came right in there and blew up my speaker. Hey, 2020 Texas, I got you right about now, man. I got you real strong in my radio right about now. 2020 Texas, it's all you right now. 2020 Texas, 750 Down Under. 2020 750 in the land of Melbourne, Australia. Getting it on back, come on.
I got it on. 750. I was standing by for my tag team partner medicine, man. I heard them out there. Take care of 750. 750. Away, 2020, big horn.
Yeah, it got real rough and tough then, but you got it back in the end, man. It was real rough and tough that time, 2020. I think I heard a Switchblade getting it on back, but your conditions kind of swung you away right at the end. All right, it's 2020 around Texas, man. Good to appreciate you coming back to this little station around Australia. 2020 Texas, have yourself a good day, man. Always loved hearing Texas out there, and even better when I can even get it back. 2020 around Texas, your 750 Melbourne, Australia. Just getting on down.
That's my thing. 750 Switchblade, Wolf Lake. Got it all when you said it. Have a good day your way. Go to the newsroom. Take care. 20 in Texas. I'm back live. 6. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Hey, right on 2020 and Switchblade. It's switching back and forth, man. I got 2020 in my radio and I got a Switchblade. It's going back and forth. It's just a Mother Nature thing. 2020 around Texas. Have a good day once again. And Switchblade, you're still in there. It's doing a bit of switching in the kitchen. That's what's happening right about now. 750 Melbourne, Australia. I said that and we're gone.
750 Melbourne, Australia. 2020 in the big star. 2020 Switchblade. 20's gone.
Well, that time you held it from start to finish there, 2020. That time it was start to finish. That time you had it all from start to finish with the 9 to 10 dB in my radio. Hey, 2020, when you do a 9, 10 dB in my radio like that, I can't help it but get it on back. Hey, 2020, it was all you that time around Texas. Good to see Texas is smoking in my radio. 2020, as you blow up my speaker one more time. The 750 said, I got your 10 dB, Roger, right here. 2020 750 said, what do you think about that?
Yes. It's all you in my radio, no doubt about it. 750. Take the mug down and away. 2020 in the big star.
And I'm letting you know I got you one more time. I think I heard Switchblade trying to get it up, man, but conditions shifted right to Texas right about now, man. All I got is Texas in my radio with a bit of bees underneath. 2020, have yourself a good day. I'll be seeing what rolls in when I get off the key. 2020 around Texas is 750. Going to get off the key and see what happens. 2020, have yourself a good day. 750 from Melbourne, Australia. We're off the key. Bye bye bye.
Go. And I got it all. Australia. I got it all when he said it all. 2020 and the big star. 750. Somebody killed one bulldozer.
Hey, worldwide, Miss Fraser. Down, down, down.
Yo, who is this? Who is this? Who is that where we're coming from, that way?
Yeah, this is Miss Fraser. Down, down, down.
He said, boom, 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 or something. You too loud. Are you talking? Wait a minute. Are you talking off a bulldozer station? Switchblade, what place? I'm trying to find out where she comes.
Roger, this is Miss Fraser. Can you understand me now?
But you're so loud. You said Miss Fraser. This is who? Wait. Sugar, pink station. What you doing out there? Yeah, I heard you, but you said something. You said this is Miss Subway. It's louder than a movie. You down, Unit 727, US of A, right?
Hey, 727, you got a grip on 750 down under. 727 around the US of A. 750 Melbourne, Australia. How about that 727, 750? Come on.
727.
I'm not sure, it's real rough and tough. A 727, 750 right here. Hello, 727, not sure what happened, but I'll try again. 727, 750 Melbourne, Australia. Come on. Hey, Undercover, Oklahoma, you got 750 in your radio. Hello, Undercover, Oklahoma, 750. Undercover, Undercover, Oklahoma, 750. I want to get in your radio, come on.
Excuse me. Bye, bye, bye.
This is on the...
Man, I heard someone getting back to 750, but that's real rough, man. I was just trying to get a quick copy to Undercover, Oklahoma. I know I've spoken to that Undercover before, just wanted to try and get another copy in my radio. Undercover, Oklahoma, don't know if you got a copy on the 750, and the other station, I'm not sure who's calling me, but it's real rough and tough on my end. 750 Melbourne, Australia. This 750 little station from Melbourne, Australia, just reading on this mail.
2020, backwise.
Yeah.
There's two of them coming back to you, man.
Yeah, I can't make it out, man. I can hear them coming back to 750, man, but it's there's a few stations all at the same time, all doing the same dB, so I can't pull out a 28 straight, man. I can't get a 28 straight because it's all bumblebees in my radio right about now, man. But I'll try it one more time, man. I hear one or two or three stations getting on back, but that's the way it rolls in this radio. 750, trying again. 750 in the land down under, trying again around the US of A. Come on.
750 Australia. You want me to stand by? 750 Switchblade. USA. Switchblade USA. Wolf Lake. Standing by. Bigger.
Oh, well, Switchblade, Wolf Lake, it probably would make it a bit easier, man. I don't know who's calling me. I can hear a few stations getting it on back, but when you do that thing like you do there, Switchblade, I can't hear no one else. Right about now, it's all Switchblade. I did hear a couple other stations getting back, man, but it's too rough and tough. But that's the way it runs on the bowl, man, so I just got to sort of pull out whatever I can and say it how I hear it. Switchblade 750. I said I got you in my radio right about now. Switchblade, Wolf Lake 750. Right back.
750 Australia. trying to talk to somebody in Texas. What's going on, mate? Take care, party over. 750 Switchblade, Wolflake, USA. Bye, bye, bye.
And you got them all behind you there, Switchblade. You got them all standing behind you, sort of trying to jump over. But I don't know what's going on, man. You got them all maybe behind a fence. They can't jump it, man. But right about now, Switchblade, that's the way it rolls. You're right ahead of the pack. Switchblade 750 said, I got you in front now. Come on.
Bye, 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 bye. Chill out, 750. Almost 750. In my back of my mobile office. Switchblade, Wolflake, USA. Bye, bye, bye. Switchblade, can you say fireman before you back it out?
I heard someone getting back. It's sounding like a Mobile, man, but it's too rough and tough on my ears. 750 Melbourne, Australia. 750 Melbourne, Australia. We'll be listening.
Switchblade, can you say fireman truck around Melbourne, Australia before you back it out? Come on. Pineapple juice. We got me juice in the north. So right up over here in the northwest corner. I'm gone. Yeah, I've got a DX line. They call me fireman truck around Melbourne, Australia. Hey, DX line, they call me fireman truck around Melbourne, Australia. Come on.
I don't know who pulled the switch, but right about now, it'll be quiet in my radio. So if someone were to key it up right about now, I'd hear them for sure. Dead silent in my radio. I just got nothing but static. 750 Melbourne, Australia. Looking for any sort of copy, man, in this quiet Super Bowl. 750 said, who's going to key up on getting my radio? Come on.
Bye, 750.
Bye.
Boy, it's only good around a big rock in the middle of the Pacific. 750, good day.
Check. Here we had a whole lot of stateside coming in, man, but I don't know if Mother Nature's flicked the switch. Well, it definitely hasn't flicked the switch, maybe just changed direction. Check on that, the big rock with the big signal. Bye.
For that round, and then he shot on 220. I'll see you, bye.
Hey, I could recognise you, man. I could even recognise you with the volume down. I just have to look at the meter. I just have to look at that signal, and I know who it is. 220, have yourself a good day.
You too, bye. Hey, Chucker, fireman said bye. Hey, Chucker, fireman truck said bye. Fireman, hey, fireman, bye. I'll be reading them all, 220 Chucker, fireman. I heard you, I saw you, and I said bye. Alright, me too, I'm copying the mail. I'm in ambush mode. I'll see ya.
Hey, Shaka 220, Pineapple Juice is pulling out a call to you, man. Hey, 220, the juice is trying to get across to you there, come on.
Yeah, alright. Well, you say Pineapple Juice waving the 4 fingers in the top. I'm waving right back, Shaka Squad.
Yeah, I got a real rough copy on Pineapple Juice, but I did hear him calling out here. Alright there, Shaka, just thought I'd pass the 5 now as you do a 15 dB in my radio. Shaka 220, hello conditions.
Alright, hello to conditions, that's what it's about. I was waiting for you guys to get a hookup around stateside. I want to see who was going to be the first one from down under to get across the Pacific for real. I'm waving the 4 fingers in the thumb, I'm quiet.
Yeah, well, stateside was slamming in just a few minutes ago, but it seems to sort of dropped out right about now, so who knows what's going to happen. We normally get a bit of California around this time, so who knows, anything could pop out at any time, just like you did there, 220. Alright, I'll be in ambush mode right about now myself. 220, the 750 station.
Alright, real good copy, I'm quiet. Super Squid. Super Squid, you reading them all? Hey, Super Squid, fireman.
Pineapple Juice is getting across to you again there, 220, must be rough and tough. Hey, Pineapple Juice, Yeah, I'll let 220 know. You can hear him, but I'm not sure if he can hear you back. Might just be a condition thing. Hello, Pineapple Juice. As you say, I'll let 220. I just thought I'd pass a 5 to you again. Pineapple Juice and 220-750. Just lending a helping hand now.
Yeah, for 750, giving a helping hand, that's what you said. Alrighty, 750, good day, mate. Shotgun 220, on my blue rocket station in the middle of the Pacific's back out. Aloha.
Aloha.
Super Squid, you ready tomorrow? Looks like we got no Super Squid, ready tomorrow. Fireman, hey, Super Squid,